Ashley from Bigger Than the Three of Us. So I am gonna share how we installed my floating shelves today. I get so many questions about it, so I just thought I'd walk you guys through it. Here we go. Okay, when I was thinking about what types of floating shelves I wanted to install, I knew I wanted to install floating shelves that didn't have brackets. And so I looked and looked for the best type of support system that can handle real wood, because this is thick wood. And I feel like I came across the best product. All right, step one, hang your brackets on the wall. And we chose to do this before tiling. We felt like it would be easier to tile up to the brackets than tile around the shelves once they were done. So we did it before tiling. I would suggest you do that method. We found that to work great. You want to make sure you hit some studs. So we were able to hit some studs, and then we use really heavy duty toggle anchors to help secure it the rest of the way. The wood holes have to match the brackets perfectly. So we had this done at an exotic wood store where we bought our wood. And I would suggest you do the same unless you have a drill press, and then you can do that. But it was like, I don't know, like $40 or $50 just to have the holes bored out perfectly, and I would highly suggest that. Definitely a two-person job to slide your pieces of wood onto your brackets. I don't have a picture of that, but one person on each side, and you just slide it onto your brackets, and it's a little bit of a tight fit, but that's really good. And that's how you secure it.